I don't want them to see me filming them inconspicuously. That was a fail. That was a fail. That was a fail.
I'm gonna go get my...
Yeah.
Okay, come on, kid. Don't fail me now. I'm the only one who's successful.
I'm doing it. I'll just love. It doesn't hurt. I just love.
I can't wear this hat anymore.
Okay, because that first one was a fail.
Wait.
You got to redeem yourself because this video is going on Facebook.
And it's so foul. So foul, bro.
Oh dear. I think you're going to be able to hear me laughing in the background.
Probably fun.
I saw it. Kendall!
No! Okay, guys. No! One. Wait! I don't think you guys should go together.
No, Chloe, don't go. I gotta go first.
No.
I told it.
We can do it together.
We're not gonna do it together. You idiot. It goes at the...
Alright, just go. Fine, go. Just go.
Why?
You go first.